Nehemiah Griego was just 15 when he murdered his family, including his 3 younger brothers and sisters. He could be back out on the streets in 2 months when he turns 21. But today, the Attorney General made his case for why he should stay behind bars. News 13's Rebecca Adkins is live at the Court of Appeals with this story. Rebecca.
Well, Kim, it was a full courtroom today as both sides argued over the killer's future, and even his own family members say he's not ready to be back out in society.
It's really surreal just to be here. It's a lot of feelings, a lot of emotions. You know, the 5-year anniversary was a few days ago, and so it's a lot.
It's not easy for Vanessa Lightbourne to be back in New Mexico. Her younger brother, Nehemiah Griego, shot and killed their parents and 3 little siblings in 2013 at the family's South Valley home because he thought his mom was too strict.
You know, he murdered 5 people, and for him to do that, I don't think anybody can come back from that.
Griego faced up to 120 years for the murders, but a judge decided to sentence him as a juvenile, which means he's supposed to get out of juvenile jail on March 20th when he turns 21. But his big sister says he's not ready.
Just some of the things that he told me when I would visit him in jail, and the reason I stopped talking to him is because of some of the things that he said that were not right.
Attorney General Hector Balderas is now appealing the decision to let Nehemiah out in March.
The district attorney's office should have never pled this case down from a first degree down to a second degree.
At the Court of Appeals today, the state and defense argued their cases.
The fact that Nehemiah killed his own family reflects just how detached, callous, and brutal he was capable of being.
The state quoting expert opinions from past hearings.
It was a horrible crime. He used more than one gun. 5 people ended up dead. But everyone agreed that he was still rehabilitatable.
But the judges had some questions over whether or not experts believed Griego would be fully rehabilitated by his 21st birthday. The AG says no.
And that there is a dramatic need for additional treatment in this case.
And Nehemiah's sister agrees.
I personally would like him to stay behind bars. I think he is a danger to society, and I think he's a danger to our family.
Now, there is no timeline for the appellate judges to make their decision if the case should be referred back to Children's Court, but the AG's office is hoping they make their decision before Nehemiah Griego turns 21. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Rebecca. Now, the panel of judges was not able to hear any testimony from the family about their concerns. The AG's office says that evidence is not admissible during the appeal process.